Hi and welcome to this edition of Out of the Box. My name's Paul. Today we're going to be having a look at what's in this box. This is the Edge Router Universal Mount, the ER-RM kit. Now, I'm just going to look down at my notes slightly here because this is a universal mount. It's going to fit the I'm going to pick this up just to make it easier. It's going to fit currently the Edge Router ER4, the ER6P, the 10X, the ER12, the ES10X, the ES10XP, and the ER12P. So it truly is a universal. I know that there are a few other ones that you can fit in here, and once I've shown you, you'll probably get an idea of how you could maybe make what you're looking to fit in here. So let's just open this up. You're going to get your rack mount lugs to actually fit into your rack, and the screws for the rack there. You get your small fixing screws so that you can actually fix the device into the rack itself, or the rack cage. And then let's just lift this out. There isn't a lot to it. Most of it's probably packaging. So let's just pull that out of the packaging there for you. And just give you a show of what it is. So just aware of the camera width, we should be okay. All right. So the idea is that we have a flexible window here that opens out, which is how it can fit such a wide range of the routers in it. You'll see here at the edge, you just lift that up. That's where your fixing screws are going to go. They're going to fit there into the side. If I switch it round again, bring that maybe a little bit closer up to you, you'll see the fixing stage side there. Let's bring that up, where again you can fix the side of your router in place. So that's why it will extend to the different variants of the sizes that are fitting in there. It doesn't have any backplate here, as you can see, so there's nothing you can rest it on. So if you have something that's of a similar size, you've got a pretty good opening. You've got a pretty large opening, as you can see there, and it's 1U high. You should be able to fit a number of devices, even possibly the small ER routers in here, the ERX. Probably with a little bit of fixing, you'll be able to fix it in place. Although they're probably only about that size, you're going to end up with a bit of a gap up here. But it is potentially possible to do it. It's not officially meant for that, but like I said, there's a fairly long list of the ER4, the 6P, the 10X, all of those. So hopefully that's been useful. There's not really much to see on the back. And just give you a side profile there as well, and just show you what that looks like again. A slider here that fixes into place either side here to fix your edge router into place. So hopefully that's been useful. Not amazing a lot to see, but sometimes just helps to get these things out of the box and get a feel for what they actually look like. So that's the ER-RM kit. Hopefully that's been useful. My name's Paul.